Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Well, isearch mo lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Hopefully, mag-iwan ka ng comment sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay na yan, guys. Kasi nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta sa akin. So, again, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. Okay. For Libra. Okay, you do have here the Ace of Swords, Six of Wands, the Star, the Four of Pentacles, okay, Six of Wands, the Chariot at the bottom of the deck, and the Nine of Swords. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nakakaisip ka na ng something new. This is something new with the Ace of Swords na parang gusto mong gawain. Maybe may kinalaman ito sa pangarap mo, goals mo with the Star. And then pwedeng involve ang pera dito with the Four of Pentacles. Maybe yung iba may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, yung iba may kinalaman sa maybe career with the Six of Wands. Yeah, the Chariot is here. Kung marami pang problema sa ngayon, the advice for you is huwag ka magmadali, huwag mong, maybe you are the one who is ready. Pero yung mga tao sa paligid mo, maybe they are not yet ready. Okay, so kung marami pang problema, ang advice para sa'yo is, huwag ka magmadali, 'di ba? Hintayin mong maging okay, maging ready ang lahat. Kasi hindi ko mo ready ka na, pwede mo na agad simulan. Okay, kung ano man ito. Kung ano yung ideas na yan, nakikita naman natin na may success, may victory para sa'yo dyan. Pero, I feel like ang pinaka magiging problema mo is yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay, kung hindi pa sila handa dito sa kung ano man itong sisimulan mo. So, make sure na kung sisimulan mo itong bagay na to, tapos involve yung ibang tao dito, maging handa rin muna sila para sa'yo. Okay? So, you have to talk to them. Messages for Libra, please. Pagdating sa love. Okay. Nine of Cups, the Six of Cups. Oh, this is a person in the past. Meron din naman present person. So, pwede ngayon kakonect mo or in the past. The past, gusto niya ng reconciliation, pag-uusap, Two of Cups, partnership. Pero with the Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, wala akong nakikitang action kasi parang nahihirapan siya, nabibigatan siya. Marami siyang obligasyon, might be. The person in the past, nakakakita tayo ng mga problema sa kanya. Kung bakit parang hindi niya magawang kausapin ka. Okay, the present moment, nakakakita tayo ng adventure sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. If you're dealing with the present moment, kung wala kang kakonect na present, okay lang. Nakakita tayo ng advancement pagdating sa pera. And this person, nakikita natin yung willingness niya na tumulong sa kung ano man yung binubuo mo. So, parang gusto niya maging part din talaga nito. So, nakikita natin na nakikita niya kung paano ka naghihirap, kung ano yung ginagawa mo para dito sa career na ito. And this person wants to help you. Okay, if you're dealing with the present moment, maganda yung sinasabi naman. If you're dealing with the present person, okay, kasalukuyang may connection. For those of you who are single, meron kang something na madidiscover. Like maybe new talents, new ideas, or maybe even recipe na pwedeng makakatulong sa'yo in the future, maybe. This is for Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides. Messages for Libra, please. The Strength card is here. Death card is also here for Libra. King of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. Three of Wands is also here. So, nakikita natin na nakakaroon ka ng energy from the past talaga. And then this past person is really thinking of you. Iniisip ka niya lagi. Like, maybe nakikita niya, parang hirap makuha na nitong taong to. Kasi maaaring in the past, kung nagkaroon siya ng chance na makuha ka, pwedeng binaliwala niya. Hindi niya binigyan ng pansin or, very immature kind of energy in the past mula sa person nito. Na pwedeng nahihirapan na siya makuha ka ngayon dahil with the Six of Swords, for some of you might be naka-move on ka na. Okay ka na. The King of Pentacles, this is you. No? Part of you, maybe binabalikan mo pa rin yung past. You still miss or is still thinking about the past. Pero, iniisip na lang. Naaalala na lang. Hindi na para balikan. For what I can see here, you are already moving forward sa mga bagay na makakapagbigay pa ng advancement, growth para sa'yo. Okay? Regarding the past, maybe you are already ending the past kasi hindi ka na rin naman nasigurado dito sa taong ito. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you, Libra? In the near future, you do have the King of Swords. The High Priestess. King of Wands. Three of Swords is also here. Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. Ayan, wow. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Pentacles. I can see possible balance energy. If some of you, you will soon be dealing with a like a third party kind of situation. So, in the near future, high chance na dalawang tao ang makakonect mo. Yung iba pwede ngayon pa lang, dalawang tao na. And might be, there's balance energy doon na pwedeng hindi mo alam kung sino dito sa mga taong to kasi pareho lang eh. I feel like with the Three of Swords, medyo mahirap mag-decide, mahirap mamili kung sino sa kanila. Kasi with the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands, maybe the other person, nakikitaan mo ng stability, the other person, nakikitaan mo ng actions, love, etc., efforts, and maybe ito yung mahirap desisyonan. And with the High Priestess, you could be dealing with a soulmate, karmic kind of relationship connection. Medyo magiging mahirap talaga. Especially with the Six of Pentacles, napaka-balance ng energy. Sino ba talaga sa kanila? And the Three of Cups, nakakita tayo ng friendship, like, maybe you want friendship, pero yung person na ito, likes you more than friend. Yan, hindi lang bilang kaibigan ang pagkagusto niya sa'yo. So, yan. Yung nakikita nating haharapin mo in the near future. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana po ay nakarelate kayo, nakuha ninyo yung messages. Please do subscribe. Comment down below, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.